Social media just made a parent's job that much harder.
How close do you monitor your children's use of Facebook?
They do use. I befriend with them and see what the activities they do. But sometimes they go onto those group chat where you cannot really see what they do, what they chat about. But I do try to keep a tab. Or I say, hey, why are you typing? Who are you talking to? The kind of thing.
They're friends with me on Facebook.
Yeah. My friends are also friends with me on Facebook. They just check at certain times. They just check.
You friends with your mom?
Yeah.
Okay, so she knows what you're doing online.
Yeah, I think so.
She's your friend on Facebook?
Yes.
Are you okay with that?
Yeah, I am.
Why?
Because, well, she's my mom. I don't hide anything from my mom.
Can you be friends with them on Facebook?
Yeah. Why not?
So there's maybe a blog that you want to keep away from them?
Oh, yeah, because maybe blogs are probably more personal, like your real feelings. So maybe sometimes after an argument, you wouldn't want them to look at your blog.
Of course, parents may not know everything that their children get up to on social networking sites. Teenagers may be digital natives and adept at using social media, but how many of them know what the boundaries of their online posts are?
Nothing like crazy, you know. When it's on the internet, it's out. You can't take it back anymore. So we're always really careful about what we post.
We can only post things which are not hurting other people's feelings.
Rude photos or some bad things I did to my friends, I wouldn't post that.
Like personal stuff, like things happening at home.
Slapping your mom. There you go. First one on the list.
In the case of 14-year-old Adelyn Hosehboh, she posted on Facebook that she slapped her mother and stole her mother's jewellery. Her online admission can get her in trouble with the law, even if her parents decide not to pursue the case.
Now, she is 14. If this was an ordinary case where she had committed theft or had hit somebody, if the police decide to prosecute her, she would be prosecuted in the juvenile court. And the juvenile court has a wide range of powers to dealing with young people, not necessarily jail terms all the time. I think the main purpose is to make sure young offenders can learn from their mistakes and not repeat the mistake.
Offenders under the age of 16 may be put in a juvenile's home under probation or in serious cases given custodial sentence. Mr. Naden said that age is a mitigating factor, but it's not an all-encompassing defense.
The age is a factor in determining an appropriate sentence or in determining if the court should be lenient with them. It doesn't detract from the fact that these are serious offences. In a case like this where the parents have difficulty looking after the child or she's uncontrollable, then girls' home would probably be the best, I would think, because she would have a certain level of discipline in the girls' home. Some of the usual privileges that she's accustomed to will not be there. She's not free to move about, meet all her friends, buy nice clothes or dresses. So I think she would feel it. And sometimes you need to feel it to learn the lesson.
Of course, social media should not be blamed for minors committing crimes, but thus its pervasive use in daily life encourage youngsters to show off their bad deeds. We explore that up next.